627. In order to generate little tiny pods around each one of these micro levels in our format, we need to get the exact center point of each of these levels. It's going to be the top left pixel of the 2x2 cluster of pixels in the center of each one of these rooms on the bitmap, because there's no exact center, so we're going to take the top left. Okay, let's get into the code. So in the file 196 top level data section, we have a lookup table R13 room index. So that's a room index of which there are 13, converted to bitmap center X. And you can see this diamond shape here reflecting this layout here. Then we have another lookup table R13 index converted to BCY, bitmap center Y. And same exact shape, but this is for the Y axis rather than the X axis. Then we have a composite lookup table that gives us the exact same information, but it's R13 converted to BCX, BCY. So there's two things per record in this table, right? So you got to remember that there's a stride of 2 when we're getting stuff out of this lookup table. Now, to make sure that these lookup tables are correct, we're going to do a little smoke test that is going to say that we probably didn't screw up both lookup tables in the exact same way. So if we cross-check them against each other, it'll probably be all right. So we got some variables here that you can read. We're going to loop through every single room, and we're going to get BCX, BCY with the first lookup table like this, and then we're going to get BCX, BCY again with the other lookup table, right? We take the room index, multiply by the stride, and then use the relative offset to the X or Y component, right? So it's X then Y with the relative offset. Then we're just going to cross-check them. So if BCX, BCY from the first lookup table matches BCX, BCY from the second lookup table, then we're good. Then it probably is correct. Here's what we did previously. We got some footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist on Ninja Coder. You are on the advanced playlist here on Kanji Coder. Ways to get a hold of me are here. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.